Hi and welcome to our analysis of LT Foods Ltd, a leading player in the consumer food industry. LT Foods Ltd, formerly known as LT Overseas, was established in 1990 and is headquartered in Gurugram, India. The company is a major player in the global rice industry, particularly in the premium Basmati rice segment. LT Foods is known for its flagship brand, Daawat, which is synonymous with quality and authenticity in the rice market. In this video, we will delve into LT Foods business segments, revenue segments, shareholding, management, cost structure, financials and management outlook for the future. Let's get started on the stock analysis of LT Foods Ltd. But before that, let me introduce ourselves. We are PA Wealth, an investment services group. We offer stocks PMS, mutual funds, alternative investment funds, insurance, and startup investments. Every week, we upload research videos on different companies, mutual funds, and financial topics. Stay ahead of the curve with the latest trends and insights by subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell icon to get notified about potential multi-bagger stocks. Let us provide a brief introduction to LT Foods. LT Foods Ltd is primarily engaged in the business of milling, processing and marketing of branded and non-branded basmati rice and manufacturing of rice food products in the domestic and overseas market. Now, let's look at the business segments of LT Foods. First, Basmati and Specialty Rice segment. In India and across the globe, LT Foods is dealing in a diverse variety of specialty rice and rice-based food offerings. Basmati rice is one of LT Foods' specialties. The company offers a range of specialty rice varieties, including jasmine rice, arborio rice, sona masuri and black rice, among others. Second, Organic Food and Ingredients segment. Organic food consumption has been increasing for a few years, primarily because people are now keen to adopt a healthy lifestyle. LT Foods offers a wide variety of organic rice, cereal grains, soya-based meals, flour, pulses, oil and oilseeds, nuts, spices, herbs, millets, and more. Third, Ready-to-eat and Ready-to-cook segment. LT Foods identified two key trends that influence consumers when purchasing kitchen ingredients: convenience and health. Inspired by consumer insights, Daawat Quick Cooking Brown Rice is LT Foods' first successful product in this segment. Following the success of Daawat Quick Cooking Brown Rice, the company launched Daawat Sehat, the iron and vitamin fortified rice, on the health platform, which is also well accepted by consumers. Now, let's discuss the revenue segments of LT Foods. Basmati and specialty rice is the largest segment of the company's revenue, accounting for 87% of the company's total revenue for the third quarter of financial year 2024. This is followed by the Organic Food and Ingredients segment, which accounts for 10.2% of the total revenue. Ready-to-eat and Ready-to-cook segment accounts for 2.8%. Now, let's look at the management of LT Foods. Mr. Kumar Arora is the chairman of LT Foods with over 4 decades of experience. His journey began in 1978 when he joined his father's business of rice trading in Khalra, a small district in Punjab. Vijay completed his bachelor's in biology from Punjab University. His transformative decision to export specialty rice under the brand, Daawat, marked a turning point in 1980. Under his leadership, Daawat and Royal have become dominant players, capturing 50% of the market share in North America. An alumni of Harvard Business School and a commerce graduate, Mr. Ashwani Kumar Arora is the managing director and CEO of the company. He is having more than 36 years of rich experience in running the company's business, which includes driving the strategy, business performance, operations, finance and marketing. He is also responsible for business strategy formulation exercise and cascade the same into operational plans for the business. With more than 3 decades of experience, Mr. Surinder Kumar Arora brings a wealth of expertise to his role as managing director. He has been playing a pivotal role in margin expansion and operational efficiency ever since he joined the board in 2007. Let's take a look at the shareholding of LT Foods. The promoters are the largest shareholders of LT Foods with a holding of 51%. Mutual funds hold 3.48% of the shares. The public holds 39.78% of the shares. Foreign institutional investors holds 5.14% of the shares. Other institutions include several investors, such as banks and insurance companies. They hold 0.6% of the shares. Let's look at the cost structure of LT Foods. Raw material expenses are the largest component of LT Foods' cost structure, accounting for 68% of the total costs. Power and fuel costs account for 1%. Other manufacturing expenses account for 5%. Employee cost accounts for 5%. Selling and admin expenses account for 16%. Now, let's focus on the financials of LT Foods. The table shows that the company's net sales have grown steadily from 2,459 crores in the financial year 2014 to 6,936 crores in the financial year 2023 at a CAGR of 10.93%. The company's profit after tax has also grown steadily from 85 crores in the financial year 2014 to 423 crores in the financial year 2023 at a CAGR of 17.41%. At last, the company's return on equity has decreased from 21.70% in the financial year 2014 to 15.30% in the financial year 2023. Let's now turn to the management commentaries to get a better understanding of the company's performance. Market share in India has experienced continued growth, reaching an impressive 29.6% in March 2023. In US business, they have maintained a market share of 50% plus with their flagship brand, Royal. Royal RTH became the fourth largest brand in the ready-to-heat rice segment in the US. To expand its market presence across diverse economies, the company has acquired a 51% stake in Golden Star Trading Incorporated, which holds more than 10% share in jasmine rice category with the brand name Golden Star. During the fiscal year 2022-23, they made a strategic deal with SALIC, the Saudi sovereign fund, through a main and secondary investment of 455.5 crore rupees. SALIC now holds a 9.22% equity share in LT Foods. This will accelerate LT Foods' organic and inorganic expansion plans across business segments and increase growth in the Middle East and Saudi Arabia region. The convenience and health segment of the company is expected to grow from 300 crore rupees to 860 crore rupees in next 5 years. Concerns regarding the low shelf life of organic food has led to the introduction of ready-to-eat organic items, organic tea and other grocery items that can be safely consumed. As a result of such initiatives, the organic food market is predicted to reach $512.01 billion United States dollars by 2027, at a CAGR of 14.8%. The global ready-to-eat food market is expected to be worth $250.31 million United States dollars by 2029, with a CAGR of 5.50%. That's all for today. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more research-based financial content and click the bell icon for potential multi-bagger stocks. In the comments below, let us know what topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Thanks for watching.